What you guys, got another video here for you. Just wanted to give you this quick video on telling you not to update to the latest version of Windows 10 1809. Now if you take a look here, right click on the start button and go to system. Under the about tab here, you want to look down for your version. You can see here I'm on version 1803. That's okay. That's the older version. You don't want to be updating this to 1809. 1809 has been plagued with issues with the CPU, the taskbar, and also Task Manager, Chrome, and also it's been deleting people's data. Loads of data has been deleted once you roll this update out. So if you're running 1803, that's fine. The update itself is not being pushed out automatically. You will have to physically go inside your settings here, and inside the update and security you will have to click on the check for updates to get the latest version. Okay, I'm not going to do it because I don't want to get the latest version, but if you are running this, do not click on the updates because it will roll out the 1809, which could possibly delete all your data. Now if we take a look here, you can see that there's a post on here, and there's some other posts on here as well which have been created on October the 3rd, and you can see this guy has just updated to 1809 and it's deleted 20 years worth of his files, which amounts to 220 gigabytes of data, and that's not good. So if it's happening to you, and there's other posts out there on the internet that are showing people have lost their data, and Microsoft won't care, so just be very careful if you are rolling out to the latest version of 1809, and if you are, then you want to make sure that you make a backup of your data first before doing any sort of updates. Microsoft are really sort of having issues with their latest updates, and it seems like every update they roll out, there's problem after problem, and this one's quite serious. Now again, there's an article on Laptop Mag, and if you come here they talk about it. There's loads of links in here which you can read up on as well, and it tells you about this latest update. So it's just a quick heads up video. Just be very careful. I know there's some YouTubers out there that are telling people to update to the latest version. Don't do it. It's too risky. You could lose all your data, and just hold fire before you start updating, and just wait until Microsoft release a stable update. I think as we speak, I think they're possibly even considering pulling that update, so for the time being, so be very careful. Anyway, that's just a quick video. My name is Brian from briteccomputers.co.uk. Hope this one helps you out. Have a great weekend. Bye for now. Now if you haven't subscribed yet, hit the big red subscribe button on my YouTube channel and hit the bell notification button next to that to be notified when we upload new videos.